So YouTube, it's Kids Junkies 23 for our fourth video. We're gonna be reviewing the Jordan 3 True Boost. Give you guys a look at the box, since this box is only for the Jordan 3s. It's pretty special. Not really. It comes with cement print paper, real nice feature, a booklet that just basically describes what the shoe has and what technology is used and stuff. Shit, the useless. Well, yeah, Carlos is gonna review the shoe.
Alright, Jordan 3, one of my favorite shoes. All white, leather, with cement print on the front toe box, also on the back all around, and also on the sides of the laces. The laces are white. On the tongue you got the red Jumpman. The inside is all blue. On the back you got Jordan Air. The bottom has a hit of red and red Jordan. Let's see right there. Gray and white. Blue all around the back. And the air bubble right there. Tight shoe. Let me show you what they look like on feet, alright? Now I'm going to show you what Brian was wearing on feet today.
I was wearing the Vanilla Ice Blazers on feet today. We'll do a review on these pretty soon, probably next. So just keep checking back for that. Thanks for watching. Remember to rate, subscribe, comment, all that, and peace.